Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Come along with me this morning while we do a walkthrough in the garden, see what needs to be harvested, and do some other chores. So sit back, grab your cup of coffee, put your feet up, and enjoy. Let's get started. So it looks as if we have 3 cucumbers to harvest, and we're going to get those after we complete our walkthrough. Looks like our beans that we've struggled with for so long are finally taking off and doing good. This is one of the things that we're going to get to later on today. We are going to remove these corn stalks and prep this bed later on this week for fall planting. These Vardaman sweet potatoes are looking good. This bed was recently prepped for fall, and we're just waiting for my plants inside to get big enough to take out and plant. Got to do some harvesting of my callaloo here. This is the red amaranth, and we have a carrot that made its way into the bed, and we have some bunching onions as well, and a couple of peanut plants. These are the Puerto Rico sweet potato vines, and they're growing like crazy. This is another bed that we're going to be cleaning up. We're going to remove the kale. It's not doing anything except taking up space, so we'll be removing that as well. This is one of 2 gray squash that I have here on the trellis. They're growing slowly, not ready to be harvested just yet. These are my Scotch bonnets, and they're finally starting to put on peppers. We have a lot of very small ones starting to form on this one and on this plant here. My other peppers that I have over there are also starting to put on fruit as well, so we'll be harvesting them hopefully by the end of the month, if not the beginning of August. This is my one and only Seminole pumpkin. I have a lot of vines, a lot of male flowers, but no other female flowers. Now, this has gone from being green to the color that you see it now. And for those of you that grow pumpkins or Seminole pumpkins, can you let me know if it's ready to be harvested yet? Leave me a note down in the comments. What do you know? I can reach it. Let's see if I can get it off. There we go. This is a very nice one. Again, these are the Haas tool variety, Haasinator. And I'm actually happy with their production. These started off real slow. It's been a very weird year for some of my vegetables in the garden. They are not growing as they have in the years past. I don't know if that's a sign of things to come with global warming or what, but it just seems weird to me, and cucumbers are one of them. So we have the 3 cucumbers here. We're going to go and see if we have any peppers, both hot and sweet peppers ready. These are my jalapenos, and it looks as if something has stripped them here in the top. And if I didn't know any better, I would swear it was a hornworm. I don't see one here, but that's the usual suspect I go to. We are harvesting some of these peppers. Yeah, and this one has been eaten off of, so something here has been going to work. And we're going to get rid of this one. Let's check the sister plant next door. These are my pepper plants, and on the first one here, I just picked off a hornworm because I noticed that the tops of my plant here had been stripped, and I saw it, so we got rid of it. But go ahead and pick off the peppers that are here. I would like for them to turn colors and ripen completely on the plant, but I don't want to run the risk either of the plants, of the fruit rather, getting attacked or bit. If you're wondering what this white stuff is, it is kaolin clay. In a previous video, we came out and sprayed the plants. So we have 5 peppers here, and it looks like one was starting to turn red. So this is our harvest for this morning, and as you can see, it's a pretty decent one. We got cucumbers, jalapenos, some okra, some black-eyed peas, and some bell peppers, and 1 tomato. We're going to go ahead and get our tools so that we can start removing spent plants. So I want to thank you for spending the morning with me here in the garden. We were able to get everything that we wanted accomplished and more. We did a little harvesting. We cleaned out 3 raised beds. We removed spent plants in preparation for fall planting. And overall, the garden is better for it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Let me know what some of the things you guys do in your garden every day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but can't grow the channel without your help. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.